wanted to show you guys how I have these kind of stuck up there. There's a nail with a piece of wire hanging down, and I just kind of hook this underneath here. You wouldn't be able to do it unless you had something here that it could, you know, get stuck to. So it's nice where you could just get them up out of the way, get them out of your hair so you're done with it. It's water washable resin, but I still use alcohol to clean it. That way I got a really nice finish before painting. So then I dry them all off and I put them in my little blue trays here. The blue trays let me know that I need to cure them. Alright, so now that I have them all cleaned off and everything, take it from my blue tray. I'm going to stick it in my wash and cure. And I have this guy, I can put this on top here. So now it's just going to cure the resin even more. Hopefully the longer you make it, the harder, the better it'll get as far as curing. But I usually go 5 minutes aside. So now once you cure them on the top side, now you got to flip them upside down and cure them again for another 5 minutes. You definitely don't want a sticky resin. Try and paint over and everything, it'll be all messed up. So you definitely want to make sure your resin's cured. Another 5 minutes. Oh, then I put it in my little white basket. My white basket stuff is to let me know that I need to paint it. So, and I put this on top here so the dust and stuff gets in it. Then I come over here and I kind of stick them. This is that thing that Ado showed us, that windshield wiper gasket sticky stuff material, and I do that, and I spray paint them with satin clear. See that there? Satin clear enamel, just to protect them a little bit and to give them a little bit of that shine. That way they don't like get scratched and stuff. If I do have a problem where I painted it too much or I needed to do some work, yeah, so they go in the gray bins. So now I bring over the painted ones over here and I get ready. Well, first I snap in the switch. Bring this guy over here. Put the thing in. I want to get a nice flush cut there. Ready to go. And I stick it in the bag. To ship to you guys with love. There you go. Just wanted to give you a little inside skinny on what I've been doing. So, yeah, I try to get a lot of these done so that way I have a bunch ready. Let me turn this off. I try to get a bunch of rocker switches ready so that way I can actually do something fun. Because this turned into a job. But I'm just happy to be being able to let you guys have some rocker switches and some fun stuff you can make some props with. So remember, it's all with love from Whitey's Wicked Workshop for the children. See you guys later, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.